The next skill is also my favorite because it's algebra related. So it says solve one-step equations. For these, we're going to think about inverse operations when solving one-step equations. And we remember that inverse means opposite. So for example, when I ask what is the inverse of addition? It's subtraction. Or what is the inverse of subtraction? It's addition. Or when I ask what is the inverse of multiplication, we say it's division. Oops. Oops. Ah, no. Division, sorry. Or when we ask what's the inverse of division, it is multiplication. So we're going to be using inverse operations to solve these one-step equations. So let's look at this one. It says, solve for u. U plus 6 equals 9. So I want to find out what number should go for u in order to make the equation true. So I need to do the inverse of addition, and the inverse of addition is subtraction. So I'm going to subtract 6 to both sides. 6 minus 6 is 0. 9 minus 6 is 3. I can check my answer if I don't feel too sure about it by substitution. So I'm going to do 3 plus 6 is 9 because I'm substituting 3 for u. And then 3 plus 6 is 9, which equals 9, which makes our solution true. Next, I have 9 equals h plus 1. You notice how this one's flipped? Don't let it freak you out. Same properties, same inverse operation. So I have h plus 1. And so I need to ask myself, what is the inverse of addition? And the inverse of addition is subtraction. So I'm going to subtract 1 to both sides because I want to leave h by itself. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 9 minus 1 is 8. So h equals 8. And again, if I want to triple check to see if my solution is correct, I can use substitution. So 8 plus 1 is 9. I substituted 8 for h. And 8 plus 1 is 9, which equals 9, which makes the solution true. Here I have m, and we know that little bar right there means to divide by 2 equals 2. So again, same principle, I'm going to use the inverse of division. In this case, the inverse of division is multiplication. So I'm going to multiply by 2 to both sides. And I get m equals 4. Okay, I want to triple check to see if my answer is correct. So I'm going to substitute 4 for m. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 2 is equal to 2, which makes my solution correct. So as we work through these, we need to remember inverse, which means the opposite. So we have to do inverse operations to solve for the variable.